It burns. It burns. It burns. Paul, where are you? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Just Ameerah. Bathtub full of fluffy slime. So, if you haven't seen my video, I did a giant bathtub of fluffy slime. And since it was fluffy slime, it has been like 3 or 2 days. I don't even know. But it became an iceberg slime. So basically, it's a giant iceberg slime right now, guys. So I am so excited to press that. Let me just give you a little sneak peek. You hear that?
I heard that.
You heard that?
I heard that.
It's beauty. I'll poke it in a little bit. But anyways, let me just explain to you guys a little bit. So in my last video, some type of person, hacker, I don't know what, has been sending me clues and things. And he has now challenged me to do 24 hours inside a slime bath. So I have made slime for freaking 400 videos. 403, I don't even know. But I'm not a finished slime. I know it won't hurt me. It'll just not really squish me, but just get over me. Anyway, so we're gonna do it, guys. If you guys want to see the other videos, make sure you check them out so that you guys can just figure out what's going on, because it's kind of a little bit complicated to say all in like one sentence. Anyways, guys, so let's just go ahead and dive in, except I'm not gonna dive in because it is an iceberg slime and I would not waste it like that, okay, guys? I'm not gonna be unsatisfying like that, all right. And today's video, just me, you guys have to comment down below. What's your favorite slime? My favorite slime is clear, anything clear slime. So like fishbowl, clear slime, pigment, jelly slime. I love clear slime in general, so yeah. Alright guys, let's get straight on into the video. So first thing we're gonna do, guys, is take a video of the iceberg slime because I want to. Alright guys, so my phone turned off, so I'm using my mom's phone. So let's go ahead and start recording. Okay, look at that beauty. Alright, don't let it. Mom's phone is messed up. Alright guys, so both phones are messed up. My mom's phone is messed up and then my phone turned off. So we're just gonna take it from the camera and then post it on Instagram. Oh, we need to get inside the bath, guys. I just forgot, I'm not even 24 hours in the slime yet. This thing smells like shaving cream, like, not like shaving cream, but like the gas in the shaving cream. The amount of bubbles in this is crazy. This is crazy. All right, I think I should get inside the tub now. Let's do this. It kind of deflated, which really sucks, but. All right, let's go. This is so cool. Oh my God, guys, I'm gonna do it. Oh, I did it. All right, well, what am I supposed to do now? Before, it was so like big, guys. It was like up to here, and now I like, my whole leg shows. I guess I'll just cover myself up in slime. So what do I do now, guys? Just stay inside the slime?
1 hour later.
I've been in here for a while, just poking the slime. I'm getting kind of bored, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and make some slime inside some slime. So yeah, since I am inside slime and I have to be 24 hours inside slime, Paul, could you please assist me and get me some slime supplies?
Of course, what did you need?
I need like a box, one of those boxes, or a bowl. Just give me a bowl, some glue, some paint.
You have glue behind you.
Okay, no glue. Okay, I need a bowl, some paint, activator, and some foam beads, or like some foam soap and lotion and stuff. You know what I need, Paul.
Okay, I'm going. I'll see you soon.
Stay here.
Yeah, I'll see you soon. I found this bucket right here of slime supplies. I think we could just use that. And here's some bowls too. All right, Ameerah, I found you a bunch of slime supplies. That was all in one bucket already.
Where's all the paint? I asked you for paint.
Here's the pink paint. And here's the yellow paint.
That's what I thought. And I also want foam soap and lotion, please. All right, so first we're gonna get some skiggly. Paul, give me a fork! Paul! You got the message. Put some glue. Next I'm gonna put is some pink cling. Alright, we got paint. Did you get foam soap and lotion like I asked, Paul?
Well, I couldn't find any.
Alright, let's get started. Alright, so let's mix this pink food coloring with this glue. Alright, and now we're gonna add some green glitter. That looks so cool when I mix it, but now it looks gross. I'm gonna put some shaving cream in it. Just a little bit of shaving cream. Not to make it fluffy, but to give it some texture. All right, and then I'm gonna add some shampoo just because I want to. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and add some Simply Clean and Sensitive 3 cents Tide. And then we're gonna put some in there. We're gonna activate. Oh my God, Paul, how much longer? How much longer, Paul?
I don't know, like 23, 22 hours.
20. It's going good so far. There's so much slime on my back right now, it's crazy. I'm literally stuck like this, guys. Like, it takes so much effort to move. Oh my God, my legs are going to cramp, guys. All right, so I'm all done with my slime. It's been about like 30 minutes.
It looks like the slime that you're in.
Well, that's what happens when you only give me pink, Poe.
I give you a bunch.
Yeah, but I already had put my food coloring. All right, so here's my slime. I think that is all I'm gonna do. There's so many crocodiles in this bathtub! It's keeping me sane. I'm gonna make another slime. Yeah! Alright, this time I'm going to make a foam, but like a complete foam. It's gonna be complete, beautiful foam, crunchy. Yes! Alright, we have a glove full of pink foam beads from a video that I did. Got some school glue. Why do I do that? I always say school glue. So we're gonna put only a little bit because you really do not need a lot when you're like making a saturated foam. And then we're gonna put some pastel yellow paint, which I think, oh wait, no, it's this one. Not too much because it kind of dries it out a little bit, you know? All right, let's mix that. Ooh, that is a pretty color. All right, and now we're gonna add some shampoo to make it a little bit sizzly. All right, mixing all that. Okay, now I gotta go ahead and activate it. I already mixed it, Paul.
Oh, okay.
Hey, could you find me some peanuts? Could you bring me the packing peanuts? I'm gonna make a whole new slime collection here.
Okay.
Ooh, this slime is turning out nice, guys. Ooh, this is nice and thick. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get my foam beads, which I have no idea how I'm gonna open. I think I'm just gonna rip it open. It should be easy. I'm hoping that this is gonna look kind of like a nice little raspberry lemonade slime because of the colors. It's raspberry lemonade and Dippin' Dots. It's turning out real nice. Look at how beautiful. Thank you, we got peanuts! I'm gonna grab some of this slime and I'm gonna put it in here. All right, well this one didn't turn out too good, so I'm just gonna go ahead and eat. How long has it been? Like,
I think it's been 3 hours, Ameerah.
3 hours? I gotta take a nap. Oh my God, help.
3,000 years later.
I have been just sitting here playing with slime. I've actually been activating underneath it because underneath it there's still some glue that I didn't get before. It's like it was really fluffy, so it's really hard to get everything. But I've been activating it, and I actually activated a lot right here. So yeah. But I'm starting to get really hungry. It's been about like 4 hours already, I think. So Paul, could you bring me something to eat?
Oh, I'm prepared for this, Ameerah.
Bring me a surprise.
I was ready for this
okay.
moment, so I got you this.
Oh,
And for dessert, I got you this.
So he brought me Yummy Nummies Mini Kitchen Magic, which, not gonna lie, looks pretty lit. And then I got, so this one is a Rice Krispies marshmallow treat maker, and then this one is a cake pop push pop. So let's go ahead and start making these. All right, so this seems a bit complicated to make, Paul.
Oh, no, it's not. I'm sure it's good.
All right, we're just gonna eyeball this, and when I need some help, I'll go look at the box, but I think I can do this. It's just Rice Krispies. We're gonna squish this in here. Ta-da! Cool, okay. So, next thing, we gotta get this bowl, I think. So, I'm gonna guess that these are the Rice Krispie treats, so we're gonna put that to the side. This is the marshmallow powder, I'm gonna guess. So, I'm gonna guess I'm gonna have to put water, so. I got a sink right here, I guess. All right, okay, so, could not eyeball that. Okay, so first you gotta assemble your thing, which I did. Then get then get a bowl and open the marshmallow packet in the mixer bowl. Add 8 round A scoops. So I gotta get this little scoopty doop. 8 scoops of this. Let's do this. I could do this. Tastes just like fondue. Alrighty, there's 8 spoons of the marshmallow powder thing. Now I need this like little square thing. 1.5 of these, I think. All right, now we mix.
Fifteen minutes later.
Okay, so here's the cereal. Now I gotta fill it up to the fill lines. Let me just do that and mix it. I think slowly. I don't think this It's a good idea. I feel like everything would be easier without the mixer. The mixer is super cute, so. Next thing you're supposed to do is get your Rice Krispie thingies and put them inside these thingies, which are the mold. Next thing I gotta do, guys, I gotta let this set, and then after I have to make the chocolate, which that is exciting. So we're supposed to put the sprinkles on one side and chocolate on the other.
5 minutes later.
Alright, I am almost done with my chocolate, guys. I actually need to add like more spoons because I don't know if I put too much water or something. I put a square bowl. It's just, it doesn't look like the frosting they have in the picture. So I'm adding more chocolate to it to try and make it look more like that. It's working, guys. I am so happy. I'm so hungry. Now we're just gonna cover that up in chocolate. Ta-da! Here are my Rice Krispie treats. So good. Ow! All right, let's take a little taste of these. Okay, I'll fall apart. Tastes pretty good. A little bit sugary, but tastes pretty good. Great, I'm all done with my Rice Krispies. Not full at all, but whatever, I ate. So now I'm gonna go ahead and sit here.
Many unbearable hours later.
All right, guys, I don't know what to do, so I'm just gonna go ahead and call my sister, Jam. See how she's doing.
Hello, America.
Hey, Jamila, you're on video. Anyways, so I'm just in a bathtub of slime. I'm gonna be in here for 24 hours. So I just wanted to call, see how you're doing, see what you're doing.
Well, you want to hear about my day?
Sure.
Well, I woke up at like 2 o'clock.
2 p.m.?
Yeah, I did that. And then, I think I went to get some pizza. Wait, no, we have some movies. So I returned the movies, and then we got some other movies. And then we went to get a bunch of candy, and there's lots of fun, by the way.
Okay.
And then we went to get some pizza.
Jeez.
And then went to Circle K, and then came back, and now I'm watching, what the Lula is it called? Something Rabbit. Oh,
Peter
Rabbit.
Peter Rabbit. Okay, that's great. You seem like you had a very fun day. Okay, well then I guess that's it. Do you have any suggestions on what I should do while I'm in here?
Eat cereal.
Eat cereal. Well, actually, I just ate Rice Krispies.
In the bath?
Yeah, I made some Rice Krispies in the bath. So what? With a miniature Rice Krispie maker.
You serious?
Yes. Okay, you have anything else you want me to do?
Your makeup.
My makeup? I don't do makeup.
Okay, and try.
I'm not gonna try to do makeup. Alright, well, bye. I'm gonna call Mom now.
Okay, bye.
Hey, Mom. You're in video right now.
Huh?
You're on my video.
I am.
Yeah. So I'm doing 24 hours in your bathtub of slime. So I just want to know how's it going?
It's going wonderful. I haven't been able to use my bathtub a while.
I wonder why.
I wonder why too, baby.
What are you doing right now?
What am I doing?
Yeah.
I'm taking a walk.
Oh, okay. Well, all right.
Alright, I love you.
Okay, bye. Love you.
Bye.
All right. I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna watch My Little Pony because I like My Little Ponies. So I guess I'll just watch this.
2 hours later.
Okay, well, I'm done watching My Little Pony. Now I'm going to take a little nap. So I'm gonna put my hair in a little bun. All right, look at that, looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and take a nap real quick, guys. Which way should I lay? And I gotta get some blanket, so I'm gonna cover myself in slime. That's my blanket.
3:28 a.m.
Paul? What time is it?
Oh, I fell asleep.
Yeah, me too. I don't even know how I fell asleep.
It's almost 3 a.m.
3 a.m. All right, well, I'm just gonna make some slime again. So I'll get some, I'm gonna make a jiggly slime this time. And then I'm gonna put some purple paint. And then I'm gonna put some water. All right, I'm gonna make my slime now. I'm gonna activate it. Ta-da, here's my slime. It's a nice jiggly purple slime. I like this slime a lot, it's really nice. I'm getting tired again. I think I might go back to sleep.
1 nap later.
Ow! It burns! It burns! It burns! Paul! Where are you? What time is it? Is it morning? Slime burns. It's like burning my skin like the shaving cream or something.
What happened?
I was sleeping and then it just like started burning a lot, like my legs.
Really?
Yeah. I think it's like the shaving cream because you know how the shaving cream always burns or something?
Well, get out of there. Or
It's like itchy burning or something. All right, well, what time is it? It's 9 in the morning, I guess.
yeah, well.
Did we do it?
I think so.
How did I do that? How did I sleep through a whole night without waking up? Like I woke up once actually, but how did I actually sleep in the slime? Literally, I cannot sleep in like a lot of places. This is crazy. How did I actually sleep? Oh my god. All right, well, whatever. Oh wait, what's this message from? You have completed your task, now look up.
What?
I just got it like from some random number. What's
The
that?
random that just said you have completed your task? So
Yeah.
how does he know? Or that person, whatever.
Either it's like somebody hacked into somebody else's number and like said that, or it's that
I mean,
person.
is he outside maybe?
It's like, it's not a normal number though. It's like a 5-digit number.
That's really weird. Do you think he watched with the drone or something from outside the window?
Maybe. But you said to look up. You see anything?
Look up.
There's that little thing right there. What is that? Is that a clue or something?
We'll get it. Go.
Oh my god, it's really far.
It's really hard to reach. What the heck?
How did I even get there? Do you see anything?
I didn't see anything. It must have been there like from before. Maybe they knew you would do this.
Well, he did challenge me to do it, Paul.
That's right. So maybe that's... But the question is, how is he watching us? Or she?
No!
What?
It
What does
has
say?
another picture of Jibo and it says next task to find a giant treasure. So is this one optional or something?
I don't know.
Alright guys, well you guys comment down below what you think this means and if you think we should do it. And also if you guys saw anything else or if you want me to do another 24-hour in the bath challenge. Alright guys, so like I said, I love you so much and I really hope I see you next time. Bye!